Have you ever walked into a room and felt an immediate weight on your chest? That heavy, sticky feeling that lingers after a long day or a tense conversation? That is stagnant emotional energy. And while we often focus on clearing our physical clutter, we forget that our homes have an emotional atmosphere too. Today, we're looking at a plant that doesn't just sit on your shelf. It works for you. In the world of energetic healing, the peace lily is known as a spiritual vacuum. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this plant transmutes stress into peace, the ritual for programming your lily to protect your space, and the 3 specific locations in your home where it can hit the reset button on your vibration. Now, before we dive into the spiritual side, let's look at the physical. There is a reason the peace lily feels so clearing. Science tells us it's one of the most effective air purifiers on the planet. NASA found that it actually scrubs the air of toxins like benzene and formaldehyde. In the Enlightenment Gateway philosophy, we know that the physical and spiritual are mirrors of each other. When a plant cleanses the air you breathe, it clears the prana, or life force energy of the room. Its iconic white bloom, which isn't actually a flower but a modified leaf, is seen as a white flag of surrender. It's nature's way of saying, the conflict ends here. So, how do we use it as an emotional cleanser? Peace lilies are highly sensitive to the frequency of their environment. They don't just thrive in moisture, they thrive in harmony. To turn your plant into a guardian, I want you to try this programming ritual. The next time you water your peace lily, hold the watering can and take 3 deep breaths. Visualize any stress, anxiety, or heavy thoughts from your day flowing out of your hands and into the water. As you pour, say, either out loud or in your heart, I invite you to transmute this heaviness into peace. Thank you for guarding this sanctuary. You aren't dumping stress on the plant. You are collaborating with it to recycle that energy back into the earth. Where you place your peace lily determines which part of your life it heals first. First, the bedroom. If you suffer from nighttime anxiety or racing thoughts, place a peace lily on your nightstand. It works through the night to neutralize the mental fog we often wake up with. Next, the home office. In a world of digital stress and techno-fog, the peace lily acts as a ground. It absorbs the frantic energy of deadlines and emails, keeping your workspace a zone of flow rather than friction. Finally, the entryway. This is the energetic filter for your home. By placing one near your door, you're creating a threshold that says, whatever happened outside stays outside. One of the most beautiful things about the peace lily is that it talks to you. When it's thirsty, the leaves droop dramatically. Instead of seeing this as a chore, see it as a reflection. When you see your plant wilting, ask yourself, where am I wilting? Have I forgotten to nourish my own soul today? As the plant perks back up within hours of being watered, let it be a reminder of how quickly you can recover when you finally give yourself what you need. Dusting its leaves isn't just cleaning, it's an act of clearing your own mental clutter. A peaceful home isn't an accident, it's an intention. By bringing a peace lily into your space, you're choosing to live in a sanctuary rather than just a house. Now that your energy is clear, you are ready to start attracting. Don't miss the next video in this series, where we're going to activate your wealth corner using 5 sacred money plants. Hit that subscribe button so you won't miss it. But first, I want to hear from you. Do you have a peace lily in your home? Have you noticed a shift in the vibe of the room since you brought it in? Let's talk about it in the comments below. If you're looking to attract positive energy into your living space, watch our video on 15 spiritual plants that transform your home into a healing sanctuary. Join us as we unveil 15 sacred plants that not only beautify your home, but also serve as powerful tools in enhancing your spiritual practice. Transform your environment and attract positive energy with these ancient botanicals. Thanks for watching. Stay mindful, stay grounded, and I'll see you at the gateway.